welcome back. So today I'm pretty excited to unbox this. This one is the new and latest Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So last time I showed you guys on how I pre-ordered this Samsung S24 Ultra with the trade-in of my Samsung Note 4. This is almost a decade old already. And it's still looking spanking new. I still have a screen protector and a case with a kickstand. And also the stylus. So originally I was thinking about trading the Samsung S23 Ultra, which is you get the same $1,000 trading value. So I figure why not trade the old paperweight, because I hardly use this now. So anyway, so today we are going to unbox this. So I ordered through AT&T because you had to sign a 36 months contract. So at the end I'm end up paying about $300 something plus tax. Tax is based on $1,299 tax. So about 100 something bucks. So overall probably around $450 or $4 something like that, free shipping. So by the way, this video is not sponsored by this company. Anyway, let's go ahead and unbox it. And this is the titanium black. Right here is the SIM card tray. And this is the stylus. Charging cable. SIM card eject tool. So it tells you SIM card eject tool insert over here, not over here, because right here is the microphone. SIM card tray is right here. And new SIM cards right here on the bottom here. You see, microphone, SIM card eject tool right here. So the SIM card is going to sit right here with that cutout corner section. So only fit one way. And then there's a rubber seal around the SIM card tray. So the bottom right here, this is the trade-in kit, and then under there are some of the pre-printed return envelope, and come with the tape as well. So you're gonna put your old phone in there and put it inside this between the cardboard, and it's just gonna fit like that, so it doesn't break the screen or whatever. You're gonna remove that outer shipping label and the tape. You're gonna tape it back up, and then put your shipping label on top here or over your old one, and then ship it back. So you're gonna drop it out either USPS location or UPS, depends on the label, or FedEx. Anyway, this is just a quick unboxing. Hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any of the comments on below. And thank you for watching. See you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.